The green screen video feature allows you to add video content inside your showroom, in the form of an avatar, a TV screen or other. To do this, select the bed icon, then green screen video. Position the object and click on it. You will be able to select a video to put inside. A media library will open, in which you can add or delete content. Choose your video. You can mute the video and make it start automatically when you arrive in a portal. Finally, you have access to the screen settings, allowing you to adjust the color of a background to make an element stand out. Once all these settings are completed, you can confirm or cancel. At the top right of this window, you can delete or move your video screen, either its position, size, or orientation.